So you have 2008 or 2007 or older Caddy that has Mk70, and you want to put the facelift cluster from Mark III Caddy 2010 onwards, the one that they have white cluster, actually 2011 in the UK. So this is the one. This is the ABS plug. We remove the battery tray, air intake, we just put it on the side. Now I'm pretty sure there's a lot of videos where it shows you how to remove the air intake and so on. So you're gonna have this tray that you have to remove, right? This tray goes in there. Three screws, number 10. Yeah, take that one off. Obviously you have to take the battery to get there. Then you get to the plug. To get the plug out, you need to undo this one down. So normally this one goes like that. You push it in, and then you pull this one like that. At the same time, this tab comes out. Yeah. So we got the cover off. That cover, it's got one clip in here. You pull the clip, and then it comes out. This cover, right? Then, if you need to put the ABS Mk70 from 2008 to 2009-10, you need to swap a pin. So you have pin 22. You see the blue one goes in pin 22, and then pin 25. You take it out from pin 25. You remove the bung, which is this little white plug, whatever you call it. You take it out from there. The tool to use it is this one, to take this one out. After that you use this tool to remove this pin and insert the tool in there. You see? Insert the tool in there, and then you're just gonna have to put the pin from, what's this one, 25 and 15. So this one is a bit hard with one hand, but you get the point. Yeah, it goes in there. If I get it with one hand, you can get it with 3 hands if you want. Okay, that one goes in. It went in, but it didn't click. So you have to make sure it clicks. Yeah. I'm gonna use another hand to push it in, so you cannot see. That's it. Push it in. Yeah. And the jumper cable needs to be from 15 to 22. Okay, not 25. Like in here. As you can see, it's a different color, but it goes in the same place, right? Makes sense? So this is 2009, 2010. This is 2008 and below, Mk70 MABS AF support number. Now this is the part number for an upgraded. You see it says MABS under the Made in Philippines. Hydraulic part is going to stay the same. To be able to change it, you still have to remove the pipes because you can't change it, but the hydraulic part will stay the same because there's some differences, so it wouldn't fit in there. You can see one of the pipe is different, it's a bit bigger, so it won't fit, which is not the first one from the bottom. The second one is different. I won't be able to get it in. Okay, now I'll do a bit more in detail in